Welcome to SRJC Libraries. This is a tutorial on how to use Master File Complete. Master File Complete offers a large collection of popular full-text magazines, reference books, and other sources, covering virtually every general interest subject area. It also includes an extensive collection of photos, maps, and flags. This video will demonstrate how to search by publication, subject, and image. We will also see how to save search results to your folder. To find Master File Complete, click on Research Databases, select M, and click on the link. If you are off campus, you will need to log in. Let's look at some of the resources available in Master File Complete. For example, it is possible to browse specific popular magazines by title. To look for a specific publication, click on Advanced Search. Then select a field, then journal name. Selecting journal name limits to the publication title. It is not referring to academic journals. I'll search for Psychology Today and social media. I can narrow my search results by using the filters on the left. I'll change the date range, then click anywhere on the screen to update my search results. Another option is to click on Publications to see an alphabetical list. You can search for a magazine title in the Browse search box. I'll search for Time Magazine. Then I can click on the Time Magazine link. From here, I can select an issue. To narrow search results, it can be helpful to use the subject filters on the left. I'll choose Greta Thunberg. Perhaps I would like to read the cover story about Greta Thunberg. If I click on PDF Full Text, Portable Document Format, I'll see the page as it appears in the magazine. Or, if I click on HTML Full Text, there is an audio option to listen to the article. There are also other options, such as a text mode, from which you can enlarge the text and view the page full screen. Let's try a new search for Sally Ride. If I click on Advanced Search, it's easy to add terms to narrow my results. Note that under Source Types, I can select biographies to get a quick overview of who Sally Ride is. Another option is to explore by subjects. Perhaps I want to read about the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. I'll type Olympic Games 2020 in the search box. However, note that subjects are very specific language. I can see a message that my search terms are not found. It's just a matter of scrolling to find the exact subject wording. I'll click on the subject link to send it to the top of my list. Then I'll select my subject by clicking the box, changing the Boolean operator to and then I'll add it to the search box. Perhaps I want to narrow my results to surfing. Since I've searched all of Master File Complete, I may want to use the publication filter to sort search results. Let's search for a photo by clicking on Images. I can use filters to set some limits. I'll select Photos of People. I'll try a search for John Lewis and speech. Clicking on the thumbnail allows me to view the information about the photo. You can organize your research by saving items to a folder. Click on Sign In to sign up for an account. Once you have your account, you can log in. Click on Add to Folder. I can click on the folder to view items I've added. Note that my photo appears in the Images section. This is the end of the tutorial. Please contact the SRJC librarians if you have questions. Go to the main SRJC Libraries website to see library hours, online chat, and more.